The initiative that we're working on this year with Chic Geek is a t-shirt initiative to help support their mission of getting more women in tech.
Hello, camera 1. Hello, camera 2.
My name's Katie Weaver. I work at Helcim as a manager of brand and communications.
My name is Gina, and I'm a designer here at Helcim.
Generally speaking, we don't see as many women enter the tech industry just because there's not as many role models and visible pathways for women to get into the industry.
The design for the t-shirt is the lioness, a really cool symbol that represented courage and strength and female empowerment.
Do you have any comments on the other one?
Initially, I just wanted something that wasn't super tropey, something that anybody can identify with and feel proud supporting it.
Now let's do a photo shoot.
The tagline of the t-shirt is Beyond Limits. And really what we're trying to convey there is that within this industry, we hope and we aspire to women having limitless growth.
What you are is beyond the limits that you're confined to, and just allow people to flourish based on their merits and not based on the stigma and biases that we may have. Throughout this process, we got to partner with one of our merchants, Local Laundry.
Yeah, our goal for the project is to raise $10,000 for Chic Geek. If you want to support women in tech, then go to Helcim's online checkout and buy one of our Beyond Limits t-shirts.
If you just want to donate, you can also do that as well.